Hey there, welcome to Browser How. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear the site cache data from Edge app on iPhone. So launch the Edge browser app, and in order to clear the cache, what you can do is you can tap on these three bar options, and within that select the settings, and within the settings you have this first option which says privacy and security. Select that and choose the first option which says clear browsing data, and from here you have this time range where you can choose what time range you want to delete for. If you want to clear the cache, then you can choose all time, and if you go back and choose only the cache images and files, and rest everything else should be disabled here. Once you have selected the cache images and files, tap on this clear now command and confirm it. So this will clear the cache images files from your Edge app on iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers, have a great day.